Well, Happy New Year to everybody. And I just wanted to do part 2 of how I did my webhooks and my workflows inside of GoHighLevel and Mystrika. I've worked with Abby a little bit here and kind of gone through some of the different scenarios, and I think I've got it pretty much dialed in. So, once you've established and received your webhooks, then you have to decide what you want to do with them. And I just put an if-then-else condition in there. The first one is for open or read. So it's a type, what you would do here inside of a GoHighLevel, which you would go to, webhook, inbound webhook, the type, and then this is open. And go ahead and save that. So it's like it's either open or read. That will ring true. The other ones will reply, bounce, click, or unsubscribed. And then the third one is status. And that's the one we're going to talk about now, because we went through the other ones before, but we're going to go into how we're going to type status. Because status is what happens when you change the status of your lead. So let's say I change that status to wrong person. Okay. And if I go back in here and if I go look at my webhook, save this portion of it. Right. Save. So if we look at the inbound webhook right here, the most recent one should be a status of wrong person. So do it right. It instantly comes back as the type is status, and the status type is wrong person. So what that's going to do then is we're going to do another if then else right here. So we got the status is changed, and I have not interested, interested, closed, meeting schedule, or wrong person. Those are your 5 different options as of right now. Out of office or automatic reply. And there's a couple of other different things that out of office reply, where it's going to put the lead back into the sequence in about 10 days, which I think is fantastic. It's another great way of handling the out of office replies. One of the most important things to me with Mystrika and what sets it apart is the fact that when somebody does reply, it sends back the body of the email. So when you are dispositioning your leads, you can actually go in and see what the reply was. So once somebody does reply to your lead, then you can see, in your notes what the reply was, and you can disposition the lead yourself from inside of your CRM. That's a game changer. I don't like having to go in, especially when I have 5 or 6 different campaigns going, and you never know, somebody's, some person's yes might be another person's no. It could be interpreted as kind of a wishy-washy. Oh, sure, call me later when you want to, whatever. A lot of times AI, is not perfect on those things, and they might mark a lead that's interested as not interested, or vice versa. So for me to be able to control that inside of GoHighLevel is really important. And then also being able to do it here. So like if they are interested, I can go ahead, if I have it be in here, and if I mark them as interested, it's going to go ahead and update my CRM immediately. I mean, just these happen instantaneously, which is beautiful. So as soon as you do that, it's instantly being changed inside of the CRM. So it works beautiful. If you have questions, please feel free to reach out to me here on Facebook or directly to my email. Hope you have a wonderful day.